Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of Polly Pocket, and the character I'm doing is Polly Pocket, and this is from Mattel. As you can see, Polly Pocket's arms can move, and also the legs and the head. And this Polly Pocket is easy to accessorize. As you can see, she comes with this beautiful turquoise soccer ball or volleyball, and also the tennis outfit, and she also comes with this outfit as well. And she also has snorkeling goggles with snorkels. And she also has this beautiful purple swimsuit. And she also comes with this beautiful life ring, again light blue. And also she has this beautiful surfboard. And she comes with this beautiful outfit as well. So this Polly Pocket comes with quite a lot of outfits, including boots, and shoes as well. So she has this light blue and also pink shoes. Also diving fins, tennis racket, binoculars, and also a table tennis racket as well. And the suit make, and she also comes with this beautiful pink water bottle. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My email is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.